two locations were chosen for conducting the mock drill, and one is the Chennai port. These are the CRPF Jawans who you could see over there, who are currently being given instructions what to be done. You could see that like many of these Jawans are carrying weapons, and also they are fully geared up. They are the ones who are protecting the Chennai post, and from here they are being given instruction to what should be done. From here we've been told that they would move to the admin building. The important aspect of these Jawans is to make sure that the installations are secured, and during such mock drills they have to make sure that life is also saved, and they will be the ones who will actually coordinate, take them to a secured zone, keep them safe, and that is what being given as instructions to them as we see from here.
इसके अलावा सिविलियन की दाहिने बाएं जाने के दौरान उन लोग पैनिक होता है। पैनिक होने के दौरान उन लोग का कूल कंडीशन में लेके आना आपका ड्यूटी है। सर ऐसे डिप्लॉय कर।
After receiving the instructions at the assembly point, now CISF Jawans are walking towards the admin building where the mock drill will start. The instructions that have been given to them is to make sure that the civilians are secured, brought to a place and kept safely. The important aspect is that in case of any kind of bomb blast or such, there will be shrapnel injury or debris injury, and they have to immediately take care of them as well. These are the instructions that were given to the CISF Jawans who at Chennai Port Trust, as the mock drill is happening right now, our assembly point are walking towards the next building, the admin building, where they will secure the civilians, and that is the sole duty for them for this mock drill. The second point where you could see the CSF Jawans are now walking into the place, and that white building that you see over there, that is the administration building from where people who are working at Chennai Port, they will be secured, brought to safe places, and in case of any kind of need for medical help, they will be also given over there. So this is how the mock drill has begun at Chennai Port Trust, and the drill has begun over there. This is the administration building of Chennai Port Trust, and what's happening is that just now instructions were given that from this multi-storied building everybody must evacuate very quietly, and you see the civilians over there were like now leaving the building very peacefully and quietly. They are not they've been requested not to take the elevator, and also what you see over here is the Tamil Nadu Disaster Relief Force officials are present along with Tamil Nadu commandos as well, just to show that what's happening over here. They are completely like fully dressed for kind of like a wartime. They are carrying their weapons. They come completely with even headgear and everything. They are here, and those you see, those are the civilians who are actually moving towards the basement. Now here the basement is a secured zone. CISF commanders already entered the spot. They are slowly evacuating, building like one floor after the other. They are slowly evacuating, and they have been brought over here. And the secondary parameter is that Tamil Nadu Disaster Relief Force was also present over here, and their job is to make sure that if anybody is stuck under debris or something, they will have to go ahead and protect them. So that's why they have assembled over here. Along with that, you could see that the Tamil Nadu commandos are also present over here. Their job is to secure the zone, and that's why they are carrying the weapons. We can also see bullpup weapons over here, advanced weapons with full gear, and also you have the Tamil Nadu Fire Service, everybody assembled, and this is how the mock drill has begun at Chennai Port Trust. In fact, you could see two CISF Jawans over there are showing how to bring a person who is like in case somebody is injured, how they have to be brought in a gurney, and that's what you see over here. Two CISF Jawans are rushing towards an ambulance, carrying a person who, in case a person is injured, how he's supposed to be taken. His hands and legs are secured, and he's also being taken into the ambulance. Everything over here is being done as a preparation, a mock drill in case some untoward incident occurs, and that's the reason across the nation it's being done in Chennai. One is the Chennai Port Trust, and the other one is the Kalpakkam Nuclear Power Plant. And as we speak, all the forces have assembled over here, and categorically work is being done. As we speak, civilians are being moved to the basement one after the other. An ambulance with a patient has also left the premises, and here on this side the teams also moving slowly one after the other. This is how the mock drill is being done at Chennai Port Trust. From 4 to 4:30 is the time that was destined, and everybody have assembled in a smooth manner. They have shown how the actual mock drill must occur. Every other force, starting with CISF, Tamil Nadu Disaster Relief Force, and also the Tamil Nadu Commandos, everybody are here with the Fire and Rescue Force. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.